Go on up.
Hi, live. Hi, live. So, today, ka-scooter ride ba kami? Again? Sa church. Sa St. Peter Basilica.
Pakadto St. Peter Basilica.
Basilica! Oh, Rocky Road.
Ikuan
Rocky Road.
Balik ka rin nila.
Ay, si Mama, ka-drive. Again. Rocky Road lang pala. Rocky Road.
This is our third time around using Bird Scooter app.
Yes! And there's the church.
We really, really like it. Especially our daughter, Ibiya. We're gonna go here. Oops.
Oh, sleep na sila. There's some homeless sleeping. Ayun. Ay. Now let's go. Let's go down.
Go down.
Go down, go. Aka. Look, there's the St. Peter Basilica.
At night?
At night is so cool. It's our first time at night. It's our third time. It's our third time in the church. But it's our
first time
in night.
nighttime.
Nighttime is so cool. Look at this.
Look at the church. It's so cool. I feel like doing this forever. Anak na. Poop, 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 poop. Maybe the poop will get hungry in us.
Woo!
Can we park?
We are finding where to park because we don't know where to park. It's not allowed to park random because it will not end and you will pay more.
That is the guard.
You will pay more. That is the guard military.
The military guard. So right now we're currently looking for a parking
For the bike.
Patino.
Yeah. It's not here.
Ato mo no Patino parking?
No, it's not there, bro.
Mas lakyan na.
I don't know if it is a parking. I don't know.
Tabi mga dito, baby, sa Santo Espiritu.
Dito pa?
Oo, Santo Espiritu. Kaya nga, may red zone di.
Dito tayo. Una ko.
Oo, nan.
Okay, Daddy's going first. Whoa! We're going to the small road.
Another
Bike ride. Kung saan bird. Hindi, tao. Hindi, ito nga, the person.
Get outside dali. Come on. Hey, babe, get outside.
Outside is the mom, yeah? Woo, let's go! Woo!
Huh? Here?
It's tight here.
Stay there. Oh, end the live. Bye, guys.
No, hasta sa ano? Sa Chiesa?
Paano kayo ma-out ko da?
Ano? Wait.